Good morning, YouTube. Today I am going to go on the SOO Locks boat tour. We're going to check out the SOO Locks here in Sault Ste. Marie. And, this would be where the ships coming out of Lake Superior can come down and be able to get into Lake Huron and points beyond. So this is the Edison power plant, and it's a quarter-mile long, built in 1902. And so if you look between every other window, they did the brickwork to look like lighthouses. And it's a quarter-mile long. It's the biggest, longest power plant east of the Mississippi, and all hydropower. I remember going through a lock on the canal from Lake Champlain to the Hudson River in a canoes. That was fun.
Good. Make sure you see the back. Yeah, make sure you see the back. You don't have to take clothes off. Yeah, you don't worry about our face.
Days a week from March 25th to January 15th. At the close of navigation season, the locks are drained, inspected for damage, repaired, and left dry until the new season begins. When the new navigation season begins, there may be up to 5 feet of ice on the St. Mary's River and large portions of Lake Superior.
Wow.
If you look behind us, you can see those gates are almost closed. That safety gate has been lowered and is locked in place. The water on the other side of the gates up ahead of us is about 3 feet from the top of the gate. 21 feet higher than where we are now.
This is what it looks like when it's full. That's where we came in. So the first bridge we see, that's obviously for automobiles and traffic going to Canada and back and forth. This lower bridge is a railroad bridge, and there are 2 sections across here that will rise up, and they're counterbalanced with that huge concrete weight, and it's so well balanced with the one on either side that it doesn't take much effort to raise that bridge up high enough for the big ships to get underneath. And over here on the other side, the other section is raised up. It's quite an engineering feat to raise a railroad bridge up that high. Well, that's going to conclude my tour with the SOO Locks boat tours. It takes about an hour and 45 minutes. It's a little pricey at $30, but it's really educational, and it was nice to sit down for a while. So I want to get on the road and see where it takes me. See you later, YouTube. So I think the Canadians are a risk to national security. This is one of their state-of-the-art ironclads here on the river, stationed across from Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan.